welcome to this tutorial of how your company can use RMA, Return Merchandise Authorization, from our Hibou exclusive Hibou Suite modules. So RMA is a user-friendly and highly customizable module. RMAs allow you to do everything from swapping defective merchandise for customers to returning damaged goods to vendors. This template-driven nature of RMAs means that each RMA of a certain type will be set up the same way every time. This creates a straightforward and seamless experience as there are minimal processes to keep in mind when creating an RMA. So first things first, we want to install the module, and to do so we're going to go to the Apps application. We're going to remove this filter and search for RMA. As you can see here, we have the Hibou RMAs, and in this case it already has been installed, but in your case you will have a similar button to this saying Activate. Once the module has been installed, we're going to go back to our dashboard, and we're going to see the app right here. So we're going to click on the app, and if you wish to associate sale orders with RMAs, you can navigate back to the Apps application and search for Hibou RMAs for sale orders. We're going to go to New, and here we're going to select the type. In this case, it is a return. We're going to look for the sale order. In this case, we're going to go for this sale order, and we are going to add the lines. By clicking the Add Lines button, it will automatically add all the information of the sale order for you. As you can see, a product has been found. So what we're going to do is click on Quantity and add 1. We're going to add it, and as you can see, it has been added here to our products. If we wish, we can add any tags, a claim number, expiration date, or any other information necessary. As you can see, a product has been found. And for a sale order RMA, the following columns are displayed for reference: ordered, delivered, invoiced. So for ordered, here you can see the quantity from the sale. In delivered, you will see the delivered quantity associated with the sale order. And in general, you should not return more than what was delivered. In invoice, you're going to see the invoice quantity associated with the sale order. Quantity are quantity, unit of measurement are unit, and you can also determine if a product is eligible for return in the validity column. As you can see here, this one is eligible, so we will add it. Once we click on it, as you can see, it automatically adds it to our product RMA line. So once we have reviewed the RMA and we believe that everything is correct, we can click on the Confirm button. And once the RMA is confirmed, the appropriate inbound and or outbound pickings will be created based on template configuration. So let's say that this is done. We're going to mark it as done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video on RMAs, our Hibou Suite module. If you have any questions or would like to see this module in more depth, feel free to contact us at hello@hibou.io so you can schedule a demo with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a good day. Bye!